Hey guys, this is Dhin from Framboise channel, and today I'm going to make something sweet, sticky with a surprise. Hawaiian butter mochi with Choco surprise. So if you haven't had butter mochi before, this is a very famous dessert in Hawaii. It's made of rice cake and milk and some butter. And today, surprise inside. We're gonna put chocolate inside of this mochi cake, and I'm gonna top it with some hazelnuts, chocolate inside. If you guys are not excited about this, I don't know. All right, see you guys. First thing we're gonna do, preheat the oven to 350. Always preheat your oven when you're baking. Okay, let's add our butter. It's gonna melt quick. The butter is halfway melted. You turn off the heat. Just lift it off the air. Okay, it's all melted. It's aside and cool it down. Egg. Okay. I crack my egg on a different bowl. So if an eggshell accidentally get in there, you can actually take it out easily. No eggshell going in right in there. Sugar. Here. And then just mix. Whatever egg you're using is actually room temperature. So take it out from the fridge 30 minutes or an hour before you're baking. Okay, make sure the sugar is dissolved. Add our room temp almond milk. I'm not a big fan of coconut milk. I prefer almond because it has a neutral taste to it. You can also use cow's milk. If you're a cocoa lover, go for it. But if you're not, try almond milk. I take some of the butter and use that to butter my mold. Notice I'm using a small mold here. I'll put in the exact measurement on the description below. You're gonna have to adjust your recipe what size you're gonna use. I'll leave a little bit of butter to brush the top, and then mix glutinous rice flour, baking powder, half a teaspoon. Make sure your baking powder is not expired so it can rise beautifully. A pinch like pinch. Mix it all together. Add this in increments, maybe 2 to 3 tablespoons at a time. You don't have to rush. No hands, and it's turning. It's missing by itself. Wow.
C'est quoi?
Praline with hazelnuts. It's local. It's only in Switzerland.
Comment ça s'appelle?
Caille.
Caille.
I'm gonna use 3 of these. Okay, last chocolate. So we're gonna put at least 3/4 of this mixture. Put it in there. You need to make sure that the chocolate doesn't get pushed down mixture on top. So we need to make sure we have enough foundation so it doesn't sink. I think this is good. Okay, I think this is good enough to cover the chocolate. Our cover should be light. We're gonna put the chocolate this way, right there. There. Now we cover it with the batter. Just lightly, so lightly. Just fit around so not one section is getting pushed down. Move it around a lot. Okay, so this is ready to go in the oven. They're telling you to tap. We're not gonna do that because we have the chocolate and we don't want it to sink. We're just gonna put it as is. Then preheated oven. It for 30 minutes. Huh?
C'est noisette.
Yeah. Timer going off and he's still sleeping. Yeah, looks good. The ultimate secret is patience. A minimum of 1 hour
One eternity later.
Cooling down for what? 4 hours maybe? Yes! Did you hear that? Ooh. Then we flip this again, this way. It is what it is, yo.
Nice.
Wow!
I roasted this myself. Alright. Test time. There's only one. Gotta go turn it. Ta-da!
C'est bon.
Look at that chocolate.
I ate the whole thing.
What?
I ate the whole thing. Thumbs up.
How to do our outro.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.